Run straight out, go search underneath.
Letting them now be the second Division I race. Just about to begin.
On your mark.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, boys! Let's go!
Let's go, Nico!
Come on, they're beating us right now! Come on, dig in!
Go, let's go, let's get you gotta push, let's go, run it!
You're out, hey, Trey, you gotta keep going!
Work together, let's go!
Stay close, man. Keep forward.
Let's go, Sam, push yourself! Go, Husky! Go!
Come on, Gabe, you got this! On you go! Come on! Let's go, LB! One more climb! One to go! 1 mile, 1 climb!
And Santiago, the two top-seeded teams here, comfortably moving through. And looks like Arcadia and King running well. They're sort of trying to get in there also for that 5th spot. And Ramsey Cortez, our winner, fine 15:32. Cuevas, nice race for him, 15:36 in second. Nick Gaffney of Great Oak, 15:44. Mark Cortez of Great Oak, 15:46. so Grado going 1-3-4 in that race. Matthew Donis of Highland, 15:49 in 5th. Tyler Kahn of Santiago, 15:52. His teammate Evan Heald, 16 flat at 7th place. 8th place, Lavera of King at 16:03. Gomez of Chino Hills, 9th at 16:07. Dylan de Loyola of Santiago, 16:09 in 10th. And they go through the first mile. 4:50, just about the same as Heat 2. All the big power teams here running well as a group. We saw a great effort from Newbury Park. Now Grado coming through strong, and now here we go with Loyola. They'll be wearing the white tops and the blue shorts. They have all 7 of their scores right up there in the front.
There we go. Keep moving, y'all. Keep moving, y'all. Get some water. Great race, fellas. Great race, fellas. There we go. Come on. Keep moving. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, fellas. Just keep moving. Great job, my man. There we go. Come on. I know you feel crazy.
Looks like Mark Encarnacion of Valley View pushing that pace, made a bit of a jump there through the switchbacks, opened up about a 10-meter lead. Cameron Roan of Poly leading that second group as they start to head to the top of the switchbacks and getting ready on the start line. Just a couple minutes will be the 4th heat. So this is heat number 3, heading up the hills of switchbacks. Heat number 4 lined up and ready to go in just about 7 minutes. And scoring now in Heat 2, Great Oak easily moving on as the first place team. They're the defending champions in this race. They ran today 28 points. Santiago second at 58. King, fine effort there over that last mile. King gets third at 92, and Arcadia, solid up there, moves into the 4th spot at 97. Then a bit of a gap. Lacerna in 5th at 126, Chino Hills 127, La Quinta 177, Quartz Hills 181, and Summit 241. So it looks like our 4 qualifiers out of Heat 2 will be Great Oak, Santiago, King, and Arcadia, with Donis and Cuevas of Highland moving along as individuals.
It is so quick. There's a lot of punch packed into this Bronco sport. It's got a ton of horsepower. I love it. Alright, now we're getting to Harry Howard and fun stuff. I don't know how we can get over or around almost anything. Yeah, I did. I'm super big. It's gonna be a good day.
And our pack is spaced out just a tad as we come down the hill, head to the halfway in Heat 3 here. Looks like Roan of Poly, but everybody in it. Moreno of Loyola right there. Roan, Moreno, Denhall.